Hello everyone. Today, we would like to present an innovative solution for students, Eduprogress Notion, revolutionizing education with Notion. Our goal is to improve academic organization, collaboration, and communication within schools using the powerful platform Notion. Before we move on to our presentation, I would like to give a brief introduction to the team behind this innovation. Our team represents the institution SMK Badatul Nusiron 2. We are guided by Puan Naziha binti Idris, and our team members consist of Michelle as the team leader, Pooja, Senhao, Felix, and Adrian. Notion was founded by Notion Labs Incorporation in 2013 with a goal in mind to create a versatile workspace for both students and teachers. The team prioritized flexibility and empowerment, giving full control to the users in terms of customizing templates available in Notion to tailor to their needs. This dedication to user empowerment sets the stage for our innovation, Eduprogress Notion, which utilizes the power of Notion to address the specific needs of our school community. In the following presentation, we'll discuss how Notion can be used to improve the learning environment through our initiative, Eduprogress Notion. Students often encounter challenges in managing their academic workload and learning journey, which can lead to several issues, including disorganization and frustration. Students may scatter their notes, assignments, and resources across different platforms, making it difficult for them to find the necessary information and leading to wasted time and frustration. Limited collaboration. Traditional methods such as paper-based handouts or shared folders can make it difficult for students to work together on projects and group assignments, hindering opportunities for peer learning and knowledge sharing. And lastly, difficulty tracking progress. Students often lack efficient tools to track their progress and performance, which makes it challenging to identify areas for improvement and set realistic goals. Eduprogress Notion is driven by the following key objectives. Improve efficiency and organization by centralizing all course materials, assignments, and notes in one place. Provide students with a platform for collaboration on projects and group works through shared workspaces and collaborative tools. And lastly, equip students with personalized dashboards to set goals, track progress, and receive personalized feedback. Our implementation of Eduprogress Notion will involve the following methods and materials. Platform selection. We have chosen to use the Notion platform due to its versatility, wide range of features and functions, and its potential for customization. Content creation. We will create various content templates such as course databases, assignment pages, and communication forums within our workspace. Notion platform. University students and teachers who associate their school email addresses with their Notion accounts can get the Plus plan for free.
How to use Notion. You can change the theme of the countdown. In the to-do list, you can write anything and tick it. We have goal reaches by Carol. Click plus if the goal is met. Here, we have a timetable that we can change. Here is the deadline section for assignments. We can tick and change the name of the blocks. In Notes, click on the text area to add or remove blocks. Here, you can change the playlist and play music straight from Notion. In this timetable section, you can add or remove blocks. You can make more by typing in and adding. Here, you can add events to your personal calendar. You can drag events around, right-click to remove them. In useful link section, insert a link, for example like Google and so on. Here, you can track your finances. Click to insert or edit amount. You can add new row. Click your month button to add another month data. Moving on to Pomodoro.
Notion integrates the use of artificial intelligence as one of its many functions. The availability of AI is best used by providing well-written examples, such as emails. Furthermore, spelling and grammar check is also provided, and additionally a summarization feature for further clarity and understanding. Notion users with diverse language skills at varying levels can also make use of the translations feature. And lastly, Notion is also capable of brainstorming ideas, acting as another source of convenient and reliable information. Notion offers various benefits to students. Eduprogress Notion goes beyond a generic application by focusing on student empowerment and addressing their specific needs. Personalized learning experience. Eduprogress Notion takes into account the unique learning styles and preferences of each student. This enables the creation of personalized learning paths, resource recommendations, and dashboards. Enhanced collaboration and peer learning. Dedicated communication channels and collaborative workspaces will encourage peer learning and knowledge sharing, allowing students to take ownership of their learning beyond traditional teacher-centered methods. Focus on self-directed learning. Students can personalize their learning experiences with dashboards that track progress, set goals, and enable self-directed learning. Eduprogress Notion aims to contribute to the learning environment in several key ways. Enhance organization and accessibility. Students will be able to access all their course materials, assignments, notes, and feedback from one centralized location, eliminating scattered information and wasted time searching. Improve communication and collaboration. Student collaborations on projects and group works becomes easy and efficient through dedicated workspaces and collaborative tools such as chat documents and editing features. Empowering student-driven learning. Students can keep track of their progress, set goals, and monitor their learning journey through personalized dashboards, which encourage ownership and accountability for learning. The STEM components refers to the science, technology, engineering, and mathematical aspects. Notion users can explore the endless possibilities of Notion's integrated artificial intelligence. The Notion platform acts as a technological backbone, while also being engineered for financial efficiency thanks to its budget tracker feature. Lastly, Notion users can manage their time wisely using the Pomodoro technique. In conclusion, Eduprogress Notion presents a compelling vision for the future of learning. We gain a deeper understanding of the transformative potential of educational technology by studying how students use its features to collaborate and personalize their learning. Our goal is to create an interactive learning environment that empowers students by utilizing the potential of Notion and customizing it to our specific needs. Our initiative goes beyond just adopting new technology. It is about enabling students to adapt, grow, and succeed in the constantly evolving field of education. With the help of Eduprogress Notion's templates, students can unlock their full potential and help shape a brighter future for education.